So marami nagtatanong sa akin saan ba ako nagsimula in order for me to improve myself. And I always say and suggest that start with your body. So naalala ko noon I started with my fitness. So nag-start ako with gym kasi for me fitness is the number one way in order for you to improve all areas of your life. Kasi when you kapag kapag naging serious ka about fitness, is number one is ma-enhance mo na dito yung discipline mo, your resilience, and your confidence. Plus, eto pa, meron pang integrity doon kasi bawal mo, isa-isahin natin. So, number one is discipline kasi hindi gaganda yung katawan mo kung wala kang disiplina. So, it takes discipline, it takes commitment. You need to show up kahit na hindi mo feel na mag-show up. Because never ka magkakaroon ng progress, never mo ma-achieve yung dream body mo kung hindi ka consistent. Number two is integrity. Hindi mo pwedeng dayain yung katawan mo. Hindi mo pwedeng dayain yan. It takes hard work. That's why, kailangan may integridad ka. Kumbaga, never mo madaya, never mo mabibili, never mo ikaw na nga lang kumain ng pagkain ko ikaw na lang mag-workout sa akin. Parang hindi mo siya pwedeng i-delegate. So, kailangan true to your words ka, true to your commitments. If you said na, okay, maging consistent ako this week, dapat maging consistent ka talaga. And number 3, confidence. Confidence, for sure, kapag nakakita ka ng progress, kapag nakikita mong lumalakas yung mga buhat mo, kapag nakikita mong bumababa yung timbang mo, kapag nakikita mo yung abs mo, nakikita mong lumalaki yung muscles mo, for sure, tataas yung confidence mo niyan. So, in this way, you will feel good. Not only feel good, but also you will look good. Isipin mo, lahat ng susuotin mo is babagay sa'yo. So, paano mo madadala yun sa labas? Diba? Mas maganda ka maglakad. Mas confident ka makipag-usap sa tao. Because you know that you look good. When you look good, you will feel good. So, that's why if you want to become a high value man, become a confident man, it start with your fitness. Kasi mind and body na yun. Mind and body na yung ma-improve mo, workout mo. Hindi lang siya puro katawan. But it's also a mental training for yourself. So, I hope this video helps, and if kailangan mo na talagang if kailangan mo na talaga magbuhat, I have a workout program nasa descriptions. I-check nyo na lang dyan. Home workouts and gym workouts kasama na dyan. So, I hope this helps. Let's go.